monkey.
Hey guys, welcome to WhenWearHow lifestyle. Today's video is going to be part 1 of my trilogy for how to set up your New Year's Eve, for your virtual New Year's Eve, what to wear for your virtual New Year's Eve, and what to drink for your virtual New Year's Eve. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to just decorate your space for your virtual New Year's Eve party. And I used Amazon. I actually just ordered like it's 2021, I was going to say 2021 balloon kit from Amazon. I will definitely put the link in the description because I didn't pay more than like 14 bucks for it. And it gave me the numbers, so 2021, and a couple of other balloons. I ordered the gold, silver, and white package, but they have so many packages. You can order whatever color you want. They have rose gold, they have gold, they have black, they have orange, blue, whatever color you want. I will definitely put the link in the description. So you're just gonna see how I just changed my space a little bit, and I'm gonna blow up the balloons, and then you'll see this whole fantastic party happening back here. Okay, so let's get to work. It's working time. Guys, and here you have it, 2021, quick and easy. Catch part 2 of my trilogy for what to wear for your New Year's Eve, for your virtual New Year's Eve party. And that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen.